Hello and welcome. It's Eunice from Aerial Practice. I'm still new to aerial hoop, but I'm very excited to share with you the simple beginner combo that I'm working on so you can try it too. I'm including basic conditioning exercises. If you're stronger, feel free to make it more challenging. Here's the combo that I'm sharing with you today. To begin, grab the side of the hoop. Make sure you're directly under the rigging to prevent swinging. My right leg is drawing a circle counterclockwise to hook onto the hoop. Extend and reach the right hand back for a nice bend. Keep pressing both feet down and reach as far back as you can for this shape. Bring the right hand back. I'm reaching and pulling myself up while straightening my right leg to get into this sitting position. Right hand reaches for the right side of the hoop, adjusting my body to this position, extending and bring my left leg in. Bring the right side of my butt to be in front of the hoop. Bending backward to place my right shoulder on the hoop. Straightening both legs, adjusting my grip to lay on the hoop, hoping I look straight. bringing the right knee to replace my right hand to lock the position. Once I feel my position is secure, then I can let go of my hands. Next, I'm straightening my right knee. You can keep it here, or if you're more flexible, bring it all the way to a split. Now driving the legs back to sit in the center. Walk the hands down to go to a knee hang. Keep my feet pressing down, engage my glute muscles, and I'm ready to let my hands go. Grabbing the hoop again, bring the legs down for our final pike. And finish. I'm going to show you one more time from the beginning. Remember to practice both sides. There are a couple of areas that I'm working on. Feel free to share with me your progress by tagging Aerial Practice on Instagram. More hammock and hoop flows will be coming very soon. Meanwhile, feel free to check out other aerial and flexibility routines, and let me know if you have any requests in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this simple combo. See you in the next video.
Được. Ủa? Hai cặp vào tụi bạn.